Another phase of the MNIB investigation has begun. A statement from the Integrity Commission says, through the inquiry stage, in-camera and closed-door sessions will be held. It spans the period 2014 to 2018 and comes against the backdrop of recent revelations about the possible inappropriate use of MNIB funds. Attorney representing the interests of the Commission, Ruggles Ferguson, says the inquiry will not be open to the public.
The public is excluded from the exercise. So it's not a public hearing per se. It's an investigation by the Commission. And during that investigation, those investigations, there would be no public sittings or cameras, the media present.
Prior to the inquiry, more than 20 persons were interviewed. However, during this investigation stage, they may not all be recalled.
At this stage, some of them may or may not be recalled, but once the statements, after review of the statements, if there is no need to recall persons originally interviewed, then that there will be no recall.
In June of this year, the High Court ruled that the Integrity Commission acted in accordance with the law when it started its inquiry into the allegation of financial wrongdoing at the Marketing and National Importing Board, the MNIB. This followed a challenge by former MNIB Chief Executive Officer Rural Edwards over the decision of the Commission in court, claiming that it had no right to conduct an inquiry without a written complaint. In his ruling, Justice Godfrey Smith noted that it is not undisputed that the investigation by the Commission was not triggered by any complaint made to the Commission, but initiated by the independent organization itself. Ferguson says an appeal to this ruling is still before the court.
To that matter, and that appeal is pending. But of course, an appeal is not an automatic stay of execution. And but I am also aware that there was an application for a stay of execution of the investigation. That application is pending before the Court of Appeal.
Eugenia Peters, GBN News.